In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Copilot on your Mac quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Safari or any browser of your choice and go to copilot.microsoft.com. Once you're on the website, click on the Sign In button. You can sign in using your personal Microsoft account or a work or school account. Simply select the option that applies to you and log in. Now, to make Copilot easily accessible, let's add it to the Mac dock. On the top menu bar, click on File and then select Add to Dock. When prompted, rename it to Microsoft Copilot before clicking Add to confirm. This will place the Copilot icon in your dock, so you can open it any time with just one click. If you prefer, you can also launch Copilot from Launchpad. Just click on the Launchpad icon in the dock, find the Copilot application, and click on it to open. And that's it. Microsoft Copilot is now set up and ready to use on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.